the event today, it is unparalleled. I have not seen such a thing. I have not heard of all women passing out from any regimental training center. And above all, the women empowerment, which is the mission of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, I sight practically on the ground. And in world, not only in India, in world, the type of show, the type of drill, the type of movement, the type of precision, the type of word of command these ladies put up today, nowhere in world it is happening. My congratulations go to the Director General of Assam Rifles. His vision, his planning, his administration, his logistic purview, superb. And the training center commander, they have done wonders. I think our nation is marching ahead.